Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Clone. We're going to be talking and writing today about the anchor chart over here that says everything says something. And what that means is that when you look at an object or when you look at a picture, it tells you a lot of information. There's an old saying that says that a picture is worth 1,000 words, meaning there are so many details to look for in a picture. And there are several questions that we also ask ourselves as we write papers. What do you want your reader to know and feel about this topic? So, what do you want them to know? All right. And so, if somebody was to look at this picture right here of this little girl on the playground, what would you want them to know? How would you want them to feel? Especially if they had never seen this picture before, how would you describe it? All right. The last part is what words and details will you use to get the response from your reader? So we don't want to just write, there's a girl on the playground. That's an okay place to start, but we need to have more details than that. So when I look at this picture over here of this little girl, I could say there's one girl on the slide. One girl on the slide. There is sand everywhere. As I brainstorm different things, I can talk about also that there are many colors in the picture. I see two slides. So there's one girl on a slide, but in the picture there are actually two slides. I can also see that there's a tunnel between these slides. I can also look and see that there are stairs. All right, so what I've done on this page is I have added these facts that I see a girl on a slide, I see sand everywhere underneath, I see many colors on the playground equipment. I also see a tunnel in between connecting the two slides in between. I can also talk about the stairs, that there's a handrails to go up. I've gotten you started on this activity. What I want you to do is I want you to look at the picture today and I want you to brainstorm. What are some other things in this picture? I want you to write down as many things as possible as you look at this picture. For example, one of the things I could think about that I could continue adding is, how does this girl feel? Oh, you think she's happy? Well, how do you know she's happy? What gives you that clue? What kind of weather is it outside? Do you think it's sunny? Do you think it's cloudy? I don't know. Looking at the shadows, it could be pretty cloudy today. I wonder what season it is. Is it winter, spring, summer, or fall? Well, I think it could be winter because the little girl is in a jacket. And I don't think in Texas you'd be wearing a jacket in the summer. So I can learn a lot just by looking at the pictures and all the details around it. So I want you to come up with as many details as you can see in the picture and make a list. This is called brainstorming. It is the first step in the writing process. We will be using this brainstorming list to create an essay the rest of the week, or a story the rest of the week. All right? Bye, guys. See you on Tuesday.